10 healthy foods for strong bones. We need sufficient calcium to strengthen your bones and vitamin D to help your body absorb calcium. Not getting enough calcium in your diet can lead to fragile, brittle bones that are more prone to fractures and disease. Vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, and phosphorus are other important nutrients for bone health. A healthy, balanced diet will help you build strong bones from an early age and maintain them throughout your life. Here are 10 healthy foods for strong bones. 1. Yogurt. Good source of vitamin D and calcium. Milk loaded with calcium and vitamins which make our bones strong and healthy. 2. Cheese. Cheese is made from milk. High in calcium. 3. Broccoli. Excellent source of calcium, vitamin C, fiber and other nutrients. 4. Sesame seeds. Excellent dairy-free source of calcium and also contain magnesium and phosphorus which promote bone health. 5. Garlic. Contains good amount of calcium and has excellent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Eggs. Contain good amount of vitamin D which helps in improving the bone health. 8. Almonds. Good source of magnesium and calcium that help maintain the bone health. 9. Bananas. Bones need potassium to stay strong, and bananas are the most famous source of potassium. 10. Orange. Juice oranges are rich in beneficial nutrients and vitamins, and minerals. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe Proper Health channel. Stay healthy, keep smiling, enjoy life.